So when I saw this particular opportunity on Cash Pro, I was like, okay, I'm not going to do this one. But when I decided to dig in, I was like, oh, this is really because
If you watch one Google ad for 7 seconds, you will earn $1.45. Watching 10 Google ads, you will earn over $14.
So my name is Akere. If you're new to this channel, I test opportunity I saw on YouTube and I decided to give you my honest opinion if you should try this or if you shouldn't. So this is another testing video and I'm going to be showing you everything you would do on everything you need to do on this particular website. And remember, our goal is to make $1.45 per Google Ads which we watch. So let's just jump to my screen and then I will show you everything you need to know about this website. So I believe you can see my screen and the name of this website, as you can see on the screen, is Multiply. Yes, I'm going to be putting the link to this website in the description, so you no need to worry about it if you can't remember the name. So just check in the description, you see the link to this website. So when you open this website, you will see how the dashboard looks like. It looks really clean. There is not too much ads, I should say. And when you scroll down, we see how everything actually looks like. It really looks good. So how do we earn $1.45 from this particular website? When you click on the dashboard, you get to see how people have been earning on the website. You get to see, okay, which survey you can start at the moment. When you hover on this dashboard, you also see the popular offers which are available right now. You see the promo code, you see the news, and then when you click on this ladder board here, you see how people are actually earning on this website, because you can see this person, Miss Bluebird. She or he is in level 65 and she or he has made 85 points so far and 35,000 coins. That's 85,000 points and 35,000 coins. That's massive, right? That's massive, baby. So that's not why we are here. Let's just go to what we can actually see on the website, how we are going to earn. And when you click on end coin, you will see road to file set, you see view PTC ad, which is actually what we are going to be concentrating on, because this is where we are supposed to make the money. Remember, I've tested this before and now I'm doing it with you, and then I'll give you my honest opinion at the end of the video. And then you see redeem promo code if you have a promo code which you want to redeem. And then when you check here, you see your activities and payments, your earning history, your PTC history, your multiplayer history, and so on and so forth. Remember, first you need to register on the website if you are not registered. I will also show you the withdrawal, how you can actually withdraw on this platform, what withdrawal option they have. I'm going to show you when it gets to that part of the video. So how do we earn money actually? How we earn money on this particular website is when we click on PTC, or how we are supposed to earn money. When you click on this PTC ads, and then you will see view PTC ads. So you need to click on that just like I've done. Once you click on it, you can see it here. There are a lot of ads, not really many of them, but by the time you finish watching all these ads, you automatically get some. After maybe in an hour later, when you check back again, you see some ads also available. As you can see by the right corner here, I have made so far 1,220 coins so far. So how did I actually get this coin? So when you click on view on any of these ads, which are, you can see view for 20 seconds and earn 24 coins. So when you click on view, it's going to open another tab on your browser, and that is where the ad comes in. So you need to actually watch this particular ad, and when you click on your main tab, you see a countdown counting down here. You can see 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. That means you've actually finished watching this particular ad. Then you can close back the window, go back to your main window, and it's going to show you validate your click. And when you click, then it says select ointment. So what is ointment? I think this here. So when you click on it, it just tell you up here your view has been recorded. So 24 points has been added to your balance. So that is everything you actually need to do. But one thing you should notice here is that not all the ads has the same coin. So you can see this one, view for 7 seconds and earn 11 coins. When you scroll down again, view for 7 seconds and earn 8 coins. So they are not giving the same amount. So that you should know. That you should know. So I just click on another one. So now we are watching another advert. We have to watch it for 7 seconds, which is already gone. You can come back here and then validate your click, select fish. So I click on fish and then 11 coins has been added to my coin. So you can close this window back. Let's refresh the page. You know I was having 1,220 coins before. Let's refresh it and see how much is going to reflect on my balance. So you see now it's 1,255 because I've watched two. I think one of them was 24 and the other one was 11. Yeah, so that is how it's actually work on this particular website. So you can come here, watch as many ads as you want. When it's done, you can come back maybe after 24 hours, after any time, to watch more ads. So that is how you actually earn on this website. So now let's go to the next thing. Is it even possible to withdraw on this particular website? Is it possible? So when you click here, when you click up here on your profile and you click on withdraw, let's click on withdraw. And when you click on withdraw, you will see one thing I noticed while I was testing is that the withdrawal is only based on crypto stuff. So if you are not into cryptocurrency or whatever, then I would say automatically this is not for you. Okay, I'm categorizing one of these people who is not into crypto stuff or crypto coins or whatever. So this is not for me. Even if I have plus coins or whatever, I wouldn't even bother to use it because I'm not this crypto stuff. So if you are among this set of people, then this is not for you. So if you are into crypto, you can see the withdrawal option which they have here. It's just four of them. So one of them is Bitcoin wallet, the other one is Doji. Is it Doji or Doge? I don't know. And the other one is Dash wallet, and the other one is LTC wallet. So these are the wallets in which you can actually withdraw to. So there's nothing like you actually withdrawing to your bank accounts. There's nothing like you actually withdrawing to PayPal. It's just you withdrawing to any of these coin based wallets. So that is one thing which I really don't like about this website. But if you're into crypto stuff, then I don't need to argue with you. This is basically for you. You know how much you are going to get from this, but I don't have any knowledge about this, so I won't tell you how much you are going to get from this. So that is the withdrawal option. And then if you read the instruction here, they say what is the minimum withdrawal amount. The minimum direct to your Bitcoin wallet withdrawal amount is 50,000 coins. 50,000 coins. The minimum withdrawal for Doge LTC Dash is 30,000 coins. That is how much. This is the minimum. So when you have 50,000 coins, then you can now withdraw to your BTC. We are coming back to my opinion in a few seconds. So just hold on a minute. And so you see how much is the minimum. So when you go back to your PTC view ads, we are earning actually 24 coins, 11 coins, and this is how much ads they actually made available for me today. Let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that they gave me just 10 ads today, and it's like 28 six coins. So this is not a lot. So that means if I watch any all these ads, I might end up not even making up to 300 coin in a day. If I can't make up to 300 coin in a day, then definitely I'm not going to make $1.45 in a day. That is automatic. So you know what my answer is. This one we got from Crash Pro, this channel called Crash Pro, is definitely not gonna work because there's no way you are going to get, even if you view this 10 hertz which is available here, is not going to give you $1.45 45 pence. Definitely is not going to give you. So this particular one from Cashflow is a no. I will advise you not to try it, but if you have enough time coming back every day to watch 10 hours, or probably if you have enough time to do service, because they have service also. So if you don't depend on just watching videos alone, if you want to put it with service, or there's also the option of downloading games, you can also add it to it. So if you can add games to it, add service to it, then probably maybe in a week you might be able to make up to this 50,000 coin. So if it's just video alone, 100% you are not guaranteed to get to the minimum of 50,000 coins for you to be able to withdraw. I believe you get what I'm saying. Yeah, I believe you get it. So what is my opinion about this then? So I will say to you, if you have enough time to watch this, or this if you have enough time to come back every day, like I tell you, video is actually not enough. Definitely, you've just seen it while I share my screen with you. If you can do more surveys, and then you can download the games, because they have games option also, then maybe you'll be able to accumulate 50,000 coin in a month, and then you will be able to withdraw. So my honest opinion is, you can try it if you have time for this, to play games, do survey, but definitely not watching video alone. And if you are not this crypto enthusiast, yeah, don't even try to do it. Don't do it, because at the end of the day, you might start looking for how you are going to withdraw the money, and then you start running here and there looking for who to transfer your coin to and whatever. And then, so if you are not into crypto, just look away from this one. You can try my last video. I think that one actually was try the last. You can watch the last video. I'm going to be linking it in the description also, so you can try the last video. But then that is my honest opinion about this one from Cash Pro. My name is Akere Bro Ebunluwa. If you're new to this channel, you know what you're supposed to do. Just subscribe, like, share this video with someone, and of course, you would like to come back for another video. Until I catch you in the next one, stay cool and have a blessed one. Bye for now.